Alright mate, yeah, let's have a look here. You're saying here it's stop onto the all-time lows and a 3-day bullish divergence if it plays out. Definitely interesting and well spotted, very well spotted. The potential bullish divergence, number one, the stop hunt. Look at all the red candles. It would be due in theory, due a green candle, meaning that there could be some upside in the meantime. So yeah, very well spotted in the first place. Now I did make a post earlier. I was a bit busy. I was just going to get food with the missus and stuff like that, so you got me at a bad time. But I did post that, you know, it does look like it's getting close, and it's, you know, it's nearly 94% down here at these lows, and to get down to this level it would be 96% down roughly, you know. So I kind of find it hard to believe that this would not reach down on these levels at some point. There is no volume or indication that the market has bottomed. Granted, there is an increase, right? There is this bit of a flush, this bit of a this right here, which is one of the largest volume, not in the entire history, but in the entire bear market. It is one of the largest volumes. Now, granted, it's not huge volume. So, like, this is extended to the downside. There's definitely a case to be saying that this can bounce from here. Now, I did post earlier and I says this can be bought because it is trying to stop hunt. Now, let's look at the 3-day like you were talking about. Yeah, very interesting. You posted about this as well, and it's trying to stop hunt. There is 1 day and 10 hours left on this 3-day candle. Like you can see here, we kind of stop hunted the previous level there, and then we got that large reversal to the upside. We stop hunted here with a couple of candles there, and we got a big reversal to the upside. We stop hunted here, and we got a semi-decent bounce to the upside there. We stop hunted here, and there was a decent bounce to the upside there. So we stop hunt. It is a stop hunt. There's a stop hunt there, and we got a small bounce to the upside there. So, and we stop hunted here, and we got a decent bounce to the upside there. Now we are stop hunting again. What's stopping this market from having a decent, or at least some sort of a bounce to the upside over the next period, right? So, you know, you have to try and put the odds in your favor, and this does seem like one of those occasions where I personally don't think it's the low, the all-time low, but I think that there could be a trade here. I like it, you know. I think there's something there, but the other thing is it may need a new week before anything happens, right? So is it best waiting for a new 3-day candle? Is it best buying right now and seeing if it can hold? Or is it best trading a new week and attempting to try and trade, especially if it's a green candle? If this already stop hunts and it's holding a new week, then could see that upside and could see the momentum kind of shift and get that bounce. Other candles like here ended up getting the bounce before the week started and flipped green. It happened here and it happened here. So, you know, the riskier way to do it is kind of to buy right now and see if you can get a bounce. The safe way to do it would be to wait for a new 3-day and maybe trade that. Is this going to flip green between now and then? I don't know. I don't think so. It's very possible though, because it's not actually a large bounce. So this could flip green. That's what I'm saying. That's 3% upside. Like one decent move at all, and this would flip green and would be bouncing. So, you know, if willing to take the risk, it's probably less than 1% bounce there. Sorry, I said that wrong. Less than 1% drop back into this line. Sorry, mate, I got a phone call, so I don't know exactly what I was saying there. You know, but if you do not want to buy it here, there definitely could be an element you could trade a new daily candle, right, and see if that holds. Like you can see here, it did pop up the new day. It didn't even take liquidity in the wick. It would have been nice to take some sort of liquidity in that wick. Bitcoin is also getting hit a very small bit here. Bitcoin dropped about half a percent. You know, looking at the 2-week candle here, it does not look great. Okay, so far it does not look great, but if this manages to bounce from here up over the next 3 days, you know, there always is the possibility then that this is the stop hunt, and then the new 2-week candle can get that continuation bounce to the upside. So that's kind of where we're at. I don't think the ultimate low is in. I think there's a decent possibility of a short-term bounce coming off this level, but the beautiful thing about it here is that the risk of taking the trade is very low. If it pops down below these lows, you have to get out. So could take the trade on a new day. If you miss it on a new day, you can also try a new 3-day and then a new weekly. But I suppose on a new day right now probably offers the best risk reward. Best risk reward if this doesn't pop up and flip before that.